Hey everyone, and welcome back to Tech Nearby. In this video we're going to update apps in Ubuntu. The first thing we'll need to do is open terminal. The first command we'll use is sudo apt-get update. You'll have to enter your password here. The next command we're going to enter is sudo apt-get upgrade. You have to choose yes. This is going to download all the updates. It can take a little bit of time. This one's sped up for you, but just hang on for it. Be careful if you're low on disk space. This one was about 300 megabytes, so you want to watch out for that. The next command we're going to use is sudo apt-get dist upgrade. That's going to upgrade the distribution, so Ubuntu. You need to choose yes. It'll be all of like the security updates, that sort of thing. And that's it, guys. We're all done. Feel free to like this video, subscribe. Have an awesome day.